Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's Cambodian story. This is a story about honesty, one of the most important values in life. Our story is called The Honest Coconut Seller. It's about a young boy in Phnom Penh who sells coconuts with his family. One day, something happens that gives him a chance to show his honesty. Let's begin. It was a sunny afternoon in Phnom Penh. Motorbikes passed by, tuk-tuks stopped, and people walked along the busy street. On the corner, there was a small coconut stall made from bamboo and wood. A boy named Sokha, only 12 years old, stood behind the stall with a big smile. He wore a krama scarf around his neck to keep the sweat away.
Hello, young man. How much for one coconut?
Hello, sir. One coconut is 3,000 reals.
That sounds good. Are they fresh?
Yes, sir. Very fresh. I cut them this morning with my father. The water inside is cold and sweet.
Great. I'll take two, please.
Sure, sir. 2 coconuts will be 6,000 reals. Here you go, sir. Please enjoy.
Thank you. Here is 10,000 reals. Keep the change.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. Have a nice day.
Sokha put the money into a small wooden box his father made for keeping cash. But when he counted, he saw something strange.
Wait a minute. This is not 10,000 reals. This is 20,000 reals.
Sokha realized the customer had given him 14,000 reals more than he should have. He looked up and saw the man walking away, sipping his coconut water. Sokha's heart started to beat fast. He thought about what to do.
If I keep the money, I could buy snacks, maybe even a new toy. But no, that's not right.
He remembered his father's words, father's voice in his memory. Sokha, always be honest. If you take what is not yours, it will bring no happiness.
Papa is right. This money is not mine. I must give it back.
Without wasting time, Sokha grabbed the money and ran after the customer. The street was busy, but he called out loudly.
Sir, please wait.
Yes? Is something wrong?
Sir, you gave me too much money. You paid 20,000 reals. 2 coconuts are only 6,000 reals. Here is your 14,000 reals change.
Oh, I didn't notice that. I thought I gave you 10,000.
It's okay, sir. I just want to make sure you get the right change.
Young man, you are very honest. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir. My father taught me to always be honest.
The customer smiled warmly. He was impressed by Sokha's honesty.
You know what? You are a good boy. I will tell my friends and family to come and buy coconuts from you.
Really? Thank you, sir. That means a lot to me and my family.
I wish more people were like you, Sokha. Keep being honest.
I will, sir. Thank you.
The man walked away, still smiling. Sokha felt happy inside. He didn't get extra money, but he got something far more valuable: respect and trust. The story of the honest coconut seller teaches us that honesty is more important than money. When we are honest, people trust us, and trust is worth more than gold. So remember, always be honest even when no one is watching. Thank you for listening to our Cambodian story. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe for more educational tales. See you in the next story.